Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Stop washing machine banging fast. First, make sure it's on a completely level surface by adjusting its feet with a spirit level. Next, balance your load by redistributing clothes evenly and avoid overloading. Lastly, check the shock absorbers or suspension springs for damage. Following these simple steps can quickly reduce or stop the noise.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.